Okay, so I took out the screen to replace it, and as I was pulling up the back here, where the two screws are, as I was pulling it up, this number 4 connector here, this gray piece right here, was virtually glued up to the top of the screen here. So when it popped up, it ripped this ribbon cable. Lift it up for you. Rip that ribbon cable off. So, take a closer look. Alright, screen out. Yeah, it looks like the data cable, the data connector ribbon cable that's attached to the mic and speaker module. So I need this ribbon cable right here. There you go.